I'm Detective Avelino Porras. I work for Internet Crimes Against Children Task Force. Today we are going after a target on a luring case. He's a gentleman from the Maricopa County area who has agreed to come have sex with what he believes to be is a 15-year-old female. Just by some of the things that he's done and said, I could tell maybe he's done this in the past before. I've done a lot of other work in law enforcement, and this is the one that I feel most passionate about, because no kid deserves to be abused, molested, hurt anyway. And these guys are out here preying on kids. There could be a potential where this really was a victim who, for whatever reason, her life is just not going good and she's seeking something, and this guy's preying on that. I have a takedown team in place. I use members of the SWAT team to help me out. These guys could potentially be looking at a long-term sentence, so we just don't know what to expect. If you guys can remain radio silent while we make the phone call, please. I'll let you know when we come back up when we've cleared. I do have another detective that's sitting in here with me that is my voice of my 15-year-old, because I don't think they want to hear my voice as a 15-year-old female. So he did not show up. We're gonna stop this operation now. We still have another target who potentially could be coming tomorrow.
I think might be our suspect vehicle. I couldn't get a license, but it should be right in front of you right now.
Good copy. Yeah, I just saw it pass by. It's actually right behind me. Sloopy should have eyes. Go ahead and come up and block off road. So we ended up taking this guy into custody. Plan worked out perfectly. Good job. Good job. The morning after pill, or plan B, lowers the risk of you getting pregnant. He did send me a picture of this last night after he bought it. He's got my vibrator, my morning after pill. It worked out perfect. Parents should know what their children are on. For gamers, if there's a chat feature on there, there's predators that are on there. If they're still willing to come down and have sex with a juvenile, knowing that we're doing these operations and knowing that operations like this are going on, there's no defense.